With second semester coming to an end, many seniors are on their way to graduation early or preparing for a much needed break. With this semester of the year, one thing was very prominent: senioritis. A lot of people have heard the term senioritis, which, in case if you didn't know, means when a senior feels like they are really just done with high school. Many seniors are at this point. They come to school, but they never really do all their work. Senioritis is a problem because although we are almost there, we're not exactly finished. And because of this, many seniors throughout the semester have had to deal with this hard reality. Senior Amelia Mejenes says that she's had senioritis from the first day of school, and it's been hard overcoming it.
I noticed as soon as senior year started, I've had senioritis, and I kind of just rolled with it. Didn't really try to stop it and intervene with it. It's kind of like, that's me now, so.
Senior Samantha Contreras says that she has also encountered senioritis and has even taken steps to get rid of classes in order to fit her needs.
Lately, I started to notice, after I dropped out of early bird, I've been showing up late to class, first period, and my parents have to motivate me to go to school now. I've been trying to study, but it's usually 5 minutes before the bell rings.
Senior Melanie Alcantara believes that the senior year is getting to her because before in other grades she would do homework, but now she has no motivation to do so.
There isn't a week where I don't not attend a class. Yeah, sometimes I don't do my homework. Other years before I would do my homework.
Senior JC Evangelista believes that procrastination is a big part of his senior year.
I've been losing motivation sometimes to not even go to school or put work off and not do it.
Although senior Kathy McIntyre is graduating early and doesn't have many classes, she still believes senioritis got to her first semester.
I feel like I only have those classes, and I haven't done homework in literally months up until finals because I'm also working full-time. And
Senior Reese Clemens believes that her taking unnecessary classes has taken away from the important classes she needs to graduate, which has caused even more senioritis.
I have experienced a lot of senioritis this year. I feel like I'm really just done with being here, and having unnecessary classes in my schedule are really bothering me. And I'm really struggling with the only class that I need to graduate, and it's the only class that I really just neglected my grade for. But we're getting through it. You just gotta hold on until the end.
Contreras believes that her acceptance into colleges can also play a huge role in her wanting to get out of high school.
I got accepted at least to one college at the moment, and I'm waiting for the other ones, so probably once I get accepted, it's gonna get even worse.
Although there are a lot of things getting in the way for seniors, a lot of them have mustered up enough courage to be able to get through the first semester. Evangelista has worked to get rid of his procrastination and to get his work done on time.
Been pushing myself to just do it, even if I can't give my all and 100%, at least have it done and get some type of grade.
Clemens says that prioritizing her time has allowed her to get good grades in the classes she needs.
I think really prioritizing time for doing work and doing things for classes recently has helped me. I'll will say to myself I can't go out until this is done, and that is what motivates me to stay on track.
Overall, although a lot of seniors have had a rough semester, a lot of them have gotten through it. And because of this, they are looking forward to the next semester to better themselves. Jimenez believes her second semester will be better because of the level of classes she is taking.
Second semester, I'm taking a lot of easy classes, so hopefully it's a lot less stressful than first semester.
Evangelista believes that the small steps are going to allow him to get through his second semester of senior year.
I feel like I just need to show up more and keep motivated and just try to encourage myself and find people to support me.
Clemens believes that her first semester went well, but there are simple steps that can be taken to make her second semester even better.
I think I had an okay first semester. I think I could have done a lot better, but I think I did an okay job of staying afloat. I'm gonna be more on top of things, really turning in assignments on time, not making excuses for doing work, and showing up to school more.
Although a lot of seniors have gone through senioritis, first semester is very close to ending. And once we come back from break, it will be time for a new chapter. Although senioritis has taken up a lot of seniors, it's easy to remember that you are almost done. The school year is almost over, and there is so much more you can do to be able to make this your best year of high school.